Hi guys, welcome to day 11 of math. Make sure you have your hundreds chart so you can follow along with our warm-up. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to count by 10. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, now let's count by 5. When we count by 5s, we go back and forth from the left to the right, from the left to the right. Let's go. All right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, let's do it one more time. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, go ahead and put your hundreds charts away. Let's think about our target for today. What are we thinking about? We are thinking about I can compose and decompose numbers to 10 with objects and pictures into 2 or more parts. So today we are going to decompose. Yesterday we thought a lot about composing. So remember composing, let me move this up. Composing is when we put numbers together. Now we're going to take a number and take it apart. So usually when we are decomposing, when we are taking numbers apart, we put them into 2 parts. Today we're going to put it into 3 parts, into 3 different parts. Okay, we're going to think, how many are in each part? And what was the number that we decomposed? Okay, so the number we're thinking about today, just for decomposing, is the number 8. All right, so I'm going to put my number 8 right here. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sticky notes and I'm going to put it into 3 different parts. How many sticky notes will I have all together though? How many do we have all together? How many? 8. Okay, so I'm going to put them in 3 different parts. I'm going to think, well, how many are in each part? Okay, here we go. 1. There's more than 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if we look up here, I have my 8, so I know altogether I have 8. But how I decompose that number is I put 3 on the left, 3 in the middle, and 2 on the right. So that must mean that 3 plus 2 is how many? 8. Good job. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to put I want to separate my columns, so all of my parts, into 3 different parts, just like this, but I want to make sure that every column does not have the same amount of sticky notes. So I'm going to move some things around. So you know what I'm going to do to make it a little easier for Miss Weedy? I'm just going to put one right here. So now I have how many on the left? Let me move this up so you can see it better. Okay, much better. Okay, so how many is on the left? 1, 2, 3. How many is in the middle? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many is on the right? Just 1. So let's count them all together. Make sure we still have 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So 3 plus 4 more plus 1 more is 8. Let's do it a different way. All right. So now I'm going to put 1 over here. Oh my goodness, you guys. 1 over there. Here we go. How many do I have on this side? On my left side. 1, 2 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on On the right, I have 1, 2. So that must mean 2 plus 4 plus 2 more equals how many? Oops. 8. Awesome. 8. All right, so let's do one more. Let's do, you can do this a lot of different ways. Let's do 2, 3, and we'll do 3 on this side. All right, here we go. So I have 1, 2, 3 on the left, 1, 2 in the middle, and 1, 2, 3 on the right. So that must mean 3 plus 2 plus 3 more equals how many? 8. Awesome. Okay, go ahead and get your counters. What I need you to do is pick a color. Miss Wheaty's going to pick the red color because it looks, you can see it a lot better. This yellow color, you can't really see that well. This one, oh yeah. All right, so I'm going to erase my, oops, there it goes. I'm going to erase my target. And you know what? It's a little bit wet from whenever okay, there we go. My bun is looking a little bit crazy. All right, so we are thinking about what number? The number 8. So I'm going to write the number 8. 8. And I'm going to show you what we'll be doing with your counter. So let me just do a model real quick, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to draw some lines to show them that they're separated. So I'm going to do, let's do it longer. There. All right, here we go. So I'm going to do 1 and 2. All right, so you can use your journal to write lines, or you can draw 3 circles, however you want to show it's 3 different parts, because we are decomposing a number. We're decomposing the number 8 together, okay? So let's do it the first way. Let's just do 2, we'll do 3, and we'll do 3. So I know that 2 plus 3 more plus 3 more is 8, okay? So that's how I know. All right, make sure you have your counters because I'm going to start giving you numbers and you're doing it on your own, okay? So here we go. I'm going to put my counters away. I love these counters because they are magnetic. I love these. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you a number and you are going to decompose the number into 3 parts, okay? So make sure you're using your counters, or you can use Legos or whatever you got at home to count with, okay? Any kind of manipulative, okay? All right, so here is your first number that you are going to decompose into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 3 parts. All right, here's your first number. Decompose the number 4. So you should get out 4 counters and decompose the number into 3 parts. Okay, let me do it one more time just to make sure we're both on board, okay? Okay, so here's my number 4. Here's my 3 parts. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to draw circles just so you see how you can do it with circles. I'm going to draw 3 big circles. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm going to decompose my number into 3 parts, okay? So I'm going to get my 4 counters because our number is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So one way I can do it is I can put 1 here, and 2 here. Or I can put 2 in the middle, or I can put 2 on the left. That's ways you can decompose the number 4, okay? Let's do another one. And I'll do it again with you guys, okay? Let's do the number 5. Let's go up 1. Do number 5. Number 5. So that means I need 1 more counter. You should have 5 counters because we're decomposing the number 5. All right, so I'm going to put 2 in this circle, 1 in this circle, and 2 on the end. Okay? Or I can put 2 here, and I can put 2 here. That's how I'm decomposing the number 5. Okay? Now it's your turn for real. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take off my counters, my awesome magnetic counters, and I'm going to be writing numbers for you to decompose on your own. Make sure you have this many counters so you can decompose this number. Go ahead and decompose that number. You can pause if you need time to decompose a number. All right, decompose this number. Do you know, I'm going to use my black marker so you can see it better. Decompose this number. Oh, much better. Remember, you can draw circles, however you want to decompose a number. Put it into 3 separate places. Okay, you can pause me to do that, or I'm going to keep going. Decompose this number. Oh my goodness. So make sure you have that many counters to decompose. The first thing you should do is make sure you have that many counters, and I know you do. Okay, last one. Remember, you can pause me if you need time to decompose the number 10. Okay, one more, and then math will be done. Decompose this number. Alrighty, when you are done, you can put your counters away. Go ahead and work on your worksheets in your packet for week 3. I will see you guys next for reading.